right, those are my red, white, and blue sprinkles and my star cookie cutters. Now I'm bringing in my dark chocolate, melting chocolate in a piping bag. We're gonna cut the tip off super quick and then just fill our cookie cutters with our chocolate. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious little patriotic treat that everyone will love. You just need your sprinkles, some chocolate, and something special that I'll show you in a little bit. But we're filling up our cookie cutters all the way. Some of these will be a little bit thicker than the others, which is totally fine. I am obviously using that dark chocolate, but you can use a white chocolate or a milk chocolate or even like some peanut butter. Whatever you like, you can use for this super easy and exciting little sweet treat. So let's go ahead and fill up all of these cookie cutters. All right, now these are gonna go in the freezer for about 5 minutes. All right, they have fully hardened. We just popped them out of the freezer. And now we're gonna turn these over. And would you look at that? Look how fun that looks. We're just gonna kind of push it right out of the cookie cutter so that we have a chocolate star. Look how fun that is. And we're just gonna place these right on our little sheet for now, but let's quickly get all of these popped out. All right, our beautiful stars are all popped out. These came out super easy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bring in my vanilla store-bought, yeah, you heard that right, store-bought cake. So this is just a plain vanilla cake, and that's what's fun about this. So we're gonna be able to just grab our chocolate patriotic stars and just place them right on top of our cake, just like so. And we're gonna go ahead and add our different sizes to our cake to make this super festive, super fun. And we can even add some to the sides of the cake, just like this. And we're just squishing them right into our cake so they stay in place. All right, so we have another one that we can just put right into that cake. And look how fun this is coming together. You do get like a little bit of color on your fingers, but that's not gonna hurt anybody. I'm gonna put one of these small ones right in there. It just kind of just sticks right into that icing. It's so fun, so pretty. And we're just kind of decorating the front of the cake because no one's looking at the back of it anyways, but you can make as many of these as you like. All right, I'm just gonna finish off by putting these ones in the back so we get some nice depth. All right. And that is our super fun 4th of July store-bought cake that we made personalized and so much cuter. Happy 4th of July.